Sure, he'll be up here in a minute. They got a bell on the door. He ain't came up here yet, but let's go here. This is my order. It's laying down there. My invoice. I actually got two different colors. Got the black, and I brought my own ball cap, so I got another hookup. R&M Garage, I tell you. And then I got the black one. That's the one I like there, man. All right, look at that there. So let's see here if we can light this baby up. So hey, welcome back guys to the channel, and welcome back for another new video. This is basically just gonna be a little quick update guys, but since I'm already here at the shop, I just wanted to light up a stogie. I got my little device here. I was gonna show you guys how I light it up and how I cut it and everything. See if I can hold that there while I cut it. Goes down like that, and then it cuts a V in it for a V cut. Alright, so basically we up here at work still guys, and I'm gonna take you guys with me after work. I ordered some new ball caps. As you guys know, I told you guys that I actually changed my YouTube name. So, you know, slowly I'm just getting some supplies and stuff for my channel. Trying, like I said, trying to invest in myself. I am going to have to replace the stickers and stuff on my GMC truck and also on my custom trucks. And, you know, that's going to take time. And when I close up, which I'm about to close up the shop, I was going to take you guys with me, just go pick up the ball caps and see how they turned out. Hopefully they turned out good and everything. But anyway, I'm going to light out the smoke. So, like today, this is a Perdomo cigar. It's a Lot 23, and this cigar is actually Nicaraguan tobacco, but it's a sun-grown cigar. And this is a little stubby here. This is probably about a 60 by like a 4.5. I know Nub, they normally make a short cigar like that, and the whole theory behind these cigars is like little short cigars, stubby cigars like this, is really, as soon as you start smoking that cigar, you're already supposed to be in a sweet spot. So anyway, I'm going to turn you guys back on. I'm going to go ahead and light my cigar up, and I'll get back with you guys. All right, real quick, just turn you guys back on. I want to give you guys a quick update. And if you guys follow me, that's why I want you guys to actually follow me on my Instagram channel. Because if you actually follow me on my Instagram channel, a lot of times you get like some updates that I do not put on my YouTube channel. If you want to see what we're doing or see what I'm doing day to day and stuff, because of course I post, even though I post YouTube videos 2 and sometimes 3 times a week, sometimes I actually post stuff on my Instagram that I don't post on my YouTube channel, or I may post it a few days after my Instagram. So one thing that I did post, and I did not make a video on, because, you know, of course you can, you know, there's a lot of videos online as far as getting started with your license, with your dealer license and stuff. But I think something I got on the, you know, coming in the pipeline, and like I said, I'm not really 100% sure if this is what I really want to do, because it's a big step. It's a lot of investment, and it's going to take up a lot of time. And of course, I've already got a lot of projects going on. But one thing that I'm actually looking into, and it'll be good for the channel, you know, I'll be able to be very creative with some builds in the near future and stuff. But one thing, if you actually do follow me on my Instagram, and if you guys want to follow me, the link is down below. And I actually changed my Instagram name as well. So it's Restos&modsgar, short for garage. So make sure you guys hit me up on my IG. If you have any questions or whatever, you can send me a DM and stuff, and I'll definitely get back with you guys. And a few people have already hit me up with on my IG, and some of you guys are followers on my IG as well. So hey, big thumbs up, and I appreciate you guys. So what I'm getting at is, guys, I got another adventure. I'm always, moving and grooving, man. So my next big adventure is getting my dealer license. And I really am not trying to get it just for the channel, because I've always wanted a, I've always, work on cars, and I, fix cars up, and then I end up trading them and stuff. But now I want to do it probably on a bigger scale. I'm still going to be doing my rebuilds, still doing my classics and stuff. And that's one reason why, that way I can reach out to a lot more people as far as buying vehicles that I would never think about buying and restoring. So that's one reason why I really want to try to get my dealer license. But I just recently, this week, matter of fact, I just got through, I'm going through a couple, in Virginia, it's totally different. And it may be different in your state. But I do know that Virginia regulates the dealer license, and when you're getting a dealership, they regulate it so much more. So the laws may be different for me than it is for you guys. All right, but I just got through with a 2-day course, and I will be going into detail. And like I said, one reason why I didn't want to say anything on my YouTube channel is because I just want to make sure this is the route that I want to go. But if I do decide to go ahead and get my license and open up a dealership, I will definitely share that process with you guys. So I did, take the first step is I went to this course, is 2-day course in Roanoke, Virginia. I passed the exam after the second day. And and I'll show you guys the book here. So turn you guys around. The book is the course was the Virginia Motor Vehicle Dealer Laws and Practices and Ethics, and this is who hosted it, VIADA. And was a lot of information, but I did good. And like I said, it's a lot of responsibility. So that's one reason why I didn't really want to say anything about it until I was sure that I was going to take the class. So that's one of the updates that I want to update you guys on with my channel. Look for a lot of, good material. A lot of new stuff is coming. I got some plans here in the near future, guys, hopefully we can find us another build. I'm still, guys, I'm constantly looking for builds and everything. But I hope you guys are enjoying all the material so far that I've been putting out and stuff. I've been getting a good response and a lot of good feedback. I really appreciate you guys responding to my videos, and I really like it when you guys write comments down below and you guys have questions. I always respond back to you guys. Like right now, we're reverse my audience, so that's one reason why it's easy for me to respond back to you guys. So without rambling on, I'm gonna go ahead and take you guys with me to go pick up my ball caps, like I mentioned previously, and we're gonna see how those ball caps turned out with my new logo on them and stuff. So, and actually, guys, I want to show you. I did do a sticker here. So that's a sticker. Normally, if you guys are in my area, if you guys go to car meets or whatever and stuff, if I see you guys subscribers or whatever, if you guys part of the crew, I definitely hook you guys up with one of those stickers. And as you guys see, it's a body hammer there with a piston, and it's surrounded by gear. All right, and that's Restos&modsgar, guys. So anyway, I'm gonna turn you guys back on once we get to Modern Design and pick up the ball cap. I'll see you guys here in a second. All right, crew. So we are actually in my little sedan. And we are heading over to Modern Design to pick up these ball caps here. And I actually took my boy with me to work. I don't know if you can see, if y'all can see him. I took my boy old Mo. Mo, what's up, buddy? Everybody want to see you. He's straight. There he goes. There goes Mo. He's falling back in the chair. I took my boy with me today to work, guys. Take your dog today to work. If you got old boy out there, I try to spend as much time as I can with him because we don't know how much longer Mo's gonna be around. But he's been a blessing for me anyway. He's been a good dog, so I'm gonna stop talking and we're gonna go ahead and get there. I'm gonna turn you guys back on once we pull up to Modern Designs. So I'll turn you guys around. This is where we actually speed the footage up. So we made it here to Modern Design, guys. Let's go in here and see how these ball caps turned out. All right. Sure, he'll be up here in a minute. They got a bell on the door. He ain't came up here yet, but let's go here. This is my order. It's laying down there. My invoice. I actually got two different colors. I got the black, and I brought my own ball caps. So I got another hookup. R&M Garage, I tell you. And then I got the black one. That's the one I like there, man. All right, look at that there. So if you guys want one of these ball caps, man, for sure, hit me up on IG. I haven't, once I look at the invoice and stuff, see how much these ball caps gonna cost and stuff. I'm not trying to make a killing off of them, whatever. But I'll sell you one. I wear a lot of ball caps and stuff, so if I can, I'll sell them. I sell them. If not, I wear them. But if you want one, definitely hit me up on my IG, and I get one to you guys, man. But this is gonna be awesome. So I'm gonna turn you guys back off, but I'm gonna wait for Dan to come up here and we'll go ahead and wrap it up. But yeah, I designed this logo and everything, like I told you. Restos and Mods. I kind of put the X there. It's like Mods. I didn't put the garage on there, but like I said, my hammer and dolly, or actually my body hammer there, I actually drew that up. I drew it by hand. Then I made a piston, and like I said, it's surrounded by gear. So I thought that was pretty cool, man. So, and those are my colors. I love that black and red. All right, I'll hit you guys up in a minute. All right, guys, so as you say, we're done. Got the ball cap, ran this errand real quick. We're gonna pick my ball caps and stuff. So they turned out good. And I just want to show you guys these ball caps are good, solid ball caps. They actually, see if I can show you the stitching inside. They do every last one of them like that, individual stitching. So, hey, that's it, guys. So basically, I just wanted to touch bases with you guys, let you guys know what's going on with the Restos and Mods Garage, guys. We got a lot of stuff coming through the pipeline. I'm excited, very excited about everything we got going on. So, and I will continue putting out these little vlogs, especially if I get my license, my dealer license stuff, guys. We'll be doing some, I guess I'll make these my dealer vlogs and stuff, along with the bills. Or hey, you guys leave a comment down below and let me know how I should do it. But I think as of right now, this is what we're going to be doing. But I will take you guys with me on the journey as far as getting my license. So I'm one step closer. I got to take another exam here at the end of this month, and I will definitely let you guys know how that go. And actually, matter of fact, that'll be the next vlog that I would do concerning my dealer license. And I would take you guys to the DMV, let you guys know how the exam went, whether I passed or not. That's going to be the major one before I can actually open up my dealer ship. And I already got 2 places as far as land and some property that I can open up a dealership, so that's not a problem there. But there's a lot of codes and regulations and zonings, and I will actually share that with you guys. So anyway, this is going to be the end of this video. Hope you guys like the ball caps, and if you guys want one, don't forget to hit me up or DM me in my IG, and I'll definitely get you guys one. So like I always tell everybody, man, if you got a good cigar, a fast car, truck, smoke them if you got them, baby. CJ is out, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.